Good evening, guys, boys and girls. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, November the 1st, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, Jigsaw Sudoku. And this one, the binary puzzle. It's binary time, yes. This one will be number 9518. 9518. Before I started, I always counted printed digits, 16 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the O's comes a 1, between the ones comes a no. Between the ones comes a no, double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. We have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row, in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Between the ones comes a no. If I place number 4, the 4th one here, then we still have 3 O's in a row, in the last row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be a 1, this should be no. Okay. Between the O's comes a 1, between the ones comes a no, double O's, here one, there one, double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes a no. 1, 2, 3, 4, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in the first row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And the last column we have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double check 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 3 minutes. We solve it again, without comparing, and I like this one. If you think so, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.